Nowadays, we can easily find a wealth of information about the properties of water, its various states, and unique abilities. Naturally, we are most interested in drinking water, considering that humans consist of 70 to 80% water. Doubts arise for many due to the vast array of drinking water options on the consumer market, each with different characteristics and often conflicting descriptions of their benefits. Yes, there is therapeutic water, acidic or alkaline, for certain conditions such as stomach issues, and it may provide relief. However, due to its chemical aggressiveness, problems can arise elsewhere, in the kidneys, heart, and blood vessels. Let's consider what drinking water should be like by resorting to a method of comparison and analysis. Number 1. Local application experience. Let's examine the territory in the foothills of the Himalayas, inhabited by the Hunza people. They are champions in terms of a healthy lifestyle and longevity, almost considered an anomaly in these aspects. Scientific expeditions studying their way of life, society, diet, and drinking water have come to a unanimous conclusion. The main reason for their longevity is the drinking water flowing from the local mountain range. What makes this Hunza water unique? Biologists have researched it and found that the water contains almost no mineral elements except for one: silicon. Moreover, it exists in the form of negatively charged nanocolloidal clusters. This state is due to the seismic stress of the mountain range and the resulting piezoelectric effect, which is the cause of the silicon's special state. Current research on the importance of silicon in the human body speaks to its critical role in human vitality. Its deficiency weakens bone tissue, as the body takes calcium from bones as a substitute for silicon. Additionally, silicon is the basis for psychochemical processes, exhibiting properties of an organic semiconductor. Recent laboratory studies on the prevention and treatment of Alzheimer's disease have established the fact of silicon binding aluminum, the main cause of this disease, and its subsequent removal from the body. Medications based on this effect are being modeled. Since we touched on another feature of the Hunza water, its energetic ionic state, let's look at water from a scientific perspective. Experience of scientific research on water and biological processes in the human body. Simplistically, the human body can be viewed as an electrical machine, with the psychochemical processes occurring inside it driven by the generation of bioelectricity and the maintenance of an energetic state for normal functioning. Based on this, all fluids in the human body should correspond to the characteristics of an electrolyte. That's why drinking distilled water is not advisable. An important indicator of water is its redox potential. This indicates its power, usually associated with the presence of hydrogen atoms or proton conductivity. All fluids in the human body, intracellular, extracellular, gastric juice, blood, have the potential of -70. All the water we drink has a potential of +180 and above. This water is processed by the body to a state of -70, with significant energy expenditure required by the body for other purposes. To avoid these expenditures, ideal water should have a redox potential close to -70. This is possible when water has minimal clusters, meaning it should be structured. How does the human body, receiving far from ideal water, solve this problem, even if it means spending precious energy? Scientific research as far back as the 1960s discovered cold plasma in human cells, which allows the cell to synthesize water molecules of the required state. It has been experimentally proven that the human body is capable of cold synthesis, that is, transforming some elements into others. But everything has its limits, so it is very important when choosing drinking water to prefer one that is as close to ideal as possible. The SixPower Plasma Technologies Laboratory has developed a technological process for creating Hunza water, which has an ideal structure with minimal cluster size and the presence of silicon nanoparticles. The application of this water has shown promising results in the regeneration of the entire body.